Hi, it's Mids from My Life Mids. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do an unboxing, or I guess share with you my haul of things that I've purchased recently. I purchased a personalized traveler's notebook for the first time, so I thought I would open that up on camera. And I just purchased a little stationery thing from Cydia, so I thought I would start with that. The first thing I got is this letter set, and it's very pretty. It has the washi type of paper, and my mother really likes to use really pretty stationery like this, and yeah, so I thought I would send it off to her. It's just really pretty, and I just thought of her when I saw this at the store. So I got this one here. The next thing are these two clear bags, and they're just really small. You can, stick little stickers in there or small little candies, things like that. That's my purpose for these bags, were to stick little cute candies and things like that. So it's really neat because it comes with these heart charm type of things, and you just kind of pass through the elastic through the hole, and you just use that to tie it off. This one has blue hearts, and really cute, and there's 8 in each pack. The next thing here is two designs of message cards. There's 10 of each, and as you can see on the back here, it shows you an example. I like these small little message cards because sometimes you just really want to say a small little thank you or a little gift for you or something really simple, and so I thought I would pick these up. I think it's because the sun is out more, the weather is nicer. I'm gearing up for summertime. I'm really into these like cute pastel colors and things. But the next one here is the same thing. It's a mini card. It's a polar bear and a leopard. I really liked the colors of them, the cute pastel colors. And similarly, I just want to write a quick note. These are perfect for that. So there's 10, I think, 10 of each design. So there's that from a shop called Cydia. I know a lot of people refer to Daiso for the 100 shops, but Japan has a lot of really wonderful ones. There's Daiso, which is big. Daiso, I guess there's stores worldwide, but if you ever visit Japan, there's also Cydia and Kendo, and they even have the 300 yen shops, the 300 yen shops, which also sell stationery from time to time. But for me anyways, and what I like Cydia very much. So these are from Cydia. Alright, the next thing are these wonderful items from Traveler's Factory. I was very lucky to be able to visit the Traveler's Factory Narita store actually twice recently, and so I picked some things up. I thought I would share with you this. I don't remember if I did in my last, actually I don't even remember when I did my, if I've ever done a recent haul with you. But the lady included one of these for free, and I believe if you ever visit, you can get these newsletters for free as well. So this, I'll just do a quick flip through. There's the Ace Hotel caravan in the United States. I guess they had 2 events, one in Los Angeles and one in New York. I personally don't have an Ace Hotel version of the Traveler's Notebook, but I love seeing them online. And then there's somebody using the Spiral Ring Notebook in the B6, and then this is just a regular Traveler's Notebook. I would love to be able to journal this way, to, take, I don't know how long this took this person, but it would take me ages, but it would be so neat to be able to draw. It would be so neat to draw little bits and pieces of your journey. I think that is so neat. And this is a little snippet about the superior labor. And that's it. So let's start with this one. This is already open. I purchased several stickers. These are limited to the Narita store, I believe. And so I picked these up. I picked some up for my design team members as well. I'm not too sure what I will do with this one. Maybe I'll keep it for myself, or maybe I will give it away. So please stay tuned for that. Next, I picked up, let's see here. I was shopping with Eva and we were talking about charms and things, and she's like, just get it, Mitz. I don't have the Mizuhiki charm. There's this one and there's a red version, but I don't have either of them. So she's like, just get it. You can treat yourself. So I have one for myself, and then these two I have as gifts for my friends, and they're very, very pretty. It's like I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's navy blue, a mustard yellow, and a rusty brown kind of color. It's very, very pretty. So there's that. I think I may use this for my notebook that I'm about to unbox with you. So here it is. I've ordered a traveler's notebook. It's a personalized one, and then oh, they have a little sign here. This is so sweet. They have a special message here on the back. Yeah, it's very, very nice touch. Thank you so much. So let's open it up. So I purchased a passport size traveler's notebook in the airport edition, and the airport edition you can only purchase directly from Narita. I know there are some resellers on Etsy, but so we opened this together in the store, and she took down my order. I wanted to make it personalized. I wanted to personalize my cover. So we opened this up together in the store, and I gave her my request, and there were some, oh, I forgot to show you. There were some, oh, it's orange. I might switch to orange actually. Or is this red? I guess it's like a coral color. But there's also the black elastic here. Sorry, I'm like rambling on. So to backtrack, I purchased the notebook, obviously, and then we opened it up together in the store. She took my order down, but I guess she was new, so she didn't really know the rules behind making the traveler's notebook personalized, like to have your name there. I think you're only allowed to have 5 spaces or something like that, and that includes the icons, and some of the icons require 2 spaces. And so at the end of it, it wasn't what I initially wanted, but let's have a look. Oh, so it says Mitz. I wanted like an icon or something there, but like I said, some Mitz is already 4, and I think you're only allowed to have 5. It's only, you're only allowed to have 5 spots, and I think some of the icons required to, they're unable to make it too close to this part, this writing part here, so I just wrote Mitz. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it feels different from my other black one. It's very, I don't know, very soft inside. It's not velvety, but it's almost velvety, if that makes any sense. It's not rough at all. It's very soft. My black regular traveler's notebook is very hard, and like I feel like this is kind of conditioned in a way. Maybe they did condition it. It's possible. They might have conditioned it and then sent this off to me, because it feels like it's been conditioned in a way. But that's very nice. I can't really smell it because my nose is clogged up with my allergies. Well, one side is really clogged up right now. But, oh, that's very, very nice. The other passport size that I have is the 5th anniversary camel and the brown that I received from my husband as a gift a while ago. And, yeah, I'm just really happy. I finally decided to get my name embossed there, and I think this would be a perfect, or maybe it's too busy, I'm not too sure, but I may even switch it up to that, we'll see. I'm all about color right now because of the summer, or not summer yet, but but the warmer weather is really getting me towards the colors and things like that. So very, very pleased with this purchase. So there it is. The process took they warned me that it might take up to a month, but actually it's probably only several weeks. I would say 2 to 3 weeks maybe, or it's probably because I live closer to Narita airport. It might take a little bit longer if you were further away. But yeah, you have to, I think the cost for this is an extra 1200 yen, I believe, maybe $12 or something along those lines. But yes, maybe one day I will be able to visit the Baumkuchen store in Los Angeles and get it even more personalized. That would be so cool. I think they have a workshop in June. I was talking to my husband about it. I said we should go to Los Angeles and go to the event, but I don't know. I really want to go back home to Canada. We haven't been back in probably 3 years, I think it is now, so I think it's about time to get back to Canada. Anyways, there is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave your question or comment down below, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.